Autodesk Seek replaces content search in AutoCAD 2010. Now, content search is still available in older versions of AutoCAD, but AutoCAD 2010 and above, you now use Autodesk Seek. It's available on the Insert tab on the ribbon, and it's over here in the Content panel. And literally all you do is type in here what you want to find online on the Autodesk Seek website. So I've put in there front doors. I hit the search button. And what it'll do is it'll bring up Windows Internet Explorer, my default browser. Now I'm just going to maximize that so that you can see it on the whole screen there. And as you can see, lots of different front doors and front facades and things coming up purely because in the search box here I've put front doors. Now I don't want front facades or anything like that, so what I'm going to do is click here and come back this way and just delete those like so. Now as you can see, as soon as I change the search criteria, it starts looking for other things for me. I'm going to go to double doors. I want some double doors for my particular drawing in this case, and I hit the search button. Now what you'll notice there is Autodesk Seek currently only serves the US AEC, Architecture, Engineering and Construction market. So remember, if it's US, everything is in imperial measurement. So we need to make sure if we drag and drop anything into our drawing that we make sure that our units are set appropriately. So I'm just going to roll down here and see what we've got. And what I'm looking for is some architectural double doors like this. So you click on the link here like so. As you can see, look, we have Revit files, drawing files, DXFs, PDFs and so on. But if I click on the link there, it'll take me to another page. And as you can see, there's a detail of the doors there. And it now loads up all of the files that are available for those doors. Now I don't need an RFA file, that's a Revit file. So I click on the arrows here, and I go to DWG and click there. There's the DWGs that I need. I want the unit sections, so I want the cross-section details, the transoms, the side lights, the mullions, and so on. So I tick the box like so. Now you'll notice the little pipette, that's the eyedrop technology, the Autodesk eyedrop technology. I'm just going to minimize slightly my web page. There's AutoCAD behind. I'm in a new blank drawing, 07 Autodesk Seek. So all I do now is just make this a little bit bigger so I can see what I'm doing. I then take this across like this, click thumbnail to drag and drop. Now before I do that though, right click in your drawing and go to Options. Make sure in your user preferences, source content units are inches, target drawing units are millimeters. So in here, you want inches. That's your source content units. Autodesk Seek. Remember, it's US. Target drawing units will be millimeters because my drawing is a metric millimeters drawing. And I OK that. Now what I need to do is get back to my Internet Explorer page. So I'll Alt-Tab, and there we are there. Now all I do is I left-click and hold and drag across into the drawing. The pipette is full. Release the mouse button, and it now prompts me to specify an insertion point for those. I'm just going to pick a point in the center of the screen, and you'll see, look, the details have just appeared there in the top right corner. So if I now do a zoom extents, so I go to View and Extents, there are all of my details straight from the internet. Now I'm going to use these details for my double doors in my house development plan. They will end up on a different detail sheet. But as you can see there, Autodesk Seek is very quick, very effective, and just so easy to use. You put your search criteria in, and you download into your drawing from the internet.